Hi there. I wanted to make a really quick video about this topic because there is a common mistake that most students make. So looking here, we have the graph of a parabola. The first question asks if it opens up or down. Well, clearly it opens down, right? The coordinates of the vertex. Well, the vertex is right here at -2, 8. This is where the drama comes in, the equation of the axis of symmetry. Well, the axis of symmetry would be the line going through the vertex, the vertical line going through the vertex. And notice this asks for the equation. The equation is x equals -2. The equation of the axis of symmetry is always x equals and then the x coordinate of the vertex. The number one mistake students make is they would just say that the equation of the axis of symmetry was -2. That is not correct. It wants the equation, so the x equals is very important. Then lastly here they want the intercepts. The x-intercepts here on the x-axis are at -6 and 2, and the y-intercept is right here at +6. All right, remember, equation for the axis of symmetry, always x equals the x coordinate of the vertex. Good luck.